Wind River in Wyoming.
Can you tell us a little bit about that?
So we drove about 5 hours north to Wind River to this little city. It's like this well-known fly fishing town. Forgot what it was called, but we went up
Pinedale.
We went up to this little campground. We had something very, very interesting happen to us, and Michael can tell us about that.
Can you tell us a little more about that?
Yeah, it was a normal day. We went hiking down a couple miles, went fishing on the river, and lake was okay. A little bit of hiking, but went back up to the site and cooked up some steaks by the pit. Delicious dinner. Went to bed. Everything was normal, and about 3 a.m. we're dead asleep. All of a sudden we hear, "Where are you, bear? Where are you?" And then someone just starts firing off a gun like 20 feet from our tent.
Jeez.
Saying, show yourself, and he's firing off his pistol.
Yeah.
Phil didn't even hear it.
I didn't even hear it. I don't know. I'm just so used to Joe's night terrors that I'm just immune to loud noises now. So
I woke Phil up. We stayed awake for a little bit and, whatever, fell back asleep. The next night we come back, same thing. We're just hanging out by the campfire eating ramen noodles or whatever.
It was like 9 o'clock too. 9 o'clock at night. And all of a sudden we just hear an old man screaming like, "Help, help, I need help." So we were like really freaked out, and Michael ran over to this guy thinking that he was like getting mauled by a bear or something.
Yeah, he says, help bear. And so I go, "Oh, where's the bear? Where is he? You need help? Are you okay?" And he doesn't say anything back, so I go in the tent, grab the bear spray, kind of go a little bit closer, say, "Hey, are you okay? And no response. So this is the same guy that shot off the gun last night, so we're kind of sketched out, freaking out.
And this guy has a gun, and we don't want to mess around with him. He's sleeping in his tent, and he's freaking out that a bear is going to get him.
Bear. Obviously no bear.
There was no bear. We would have heard the bear. There was no bear. So we decided to, we were kind of freaked out. We just grabbed all of our stuff, threw it in the car, and got out of there. We got back home at like 1, 2 a.m. It was quite the experience. But yeah, we didn't even take down the tent or anything. We had the sleeping bags in the tent. We just threw it in the car and called it good. So it was
a fun trip though.
Quite the experience, good fishing, and luckily we didn't get shot.
And one final question for you guys. Ketchup or mustard?
Mayo.
It depends on what it's on. I prefer ketchup on a hot dog, but a little dabble of mustard if there's relish, and then I'll go with that.
Okay, mustard's disgusting. Interview over.
Oh my god.
If it's gourmet,
Mustard is
if it's
fine.
gourmet mustard, like the good quality stuff.
All right, we get a Philip Roth fish guarantee here. Beautiful stretch, fly in the water. Wait for it. Determination.
There's fishy.
Did you lose him already?
Yeah.
You go first?
I got it.
You will eat my bug. Oh yeah, he wants that one. Well, rainbow.
Oh my god, little
Going crazy. It's going for me. Looks like a rainbow.
struggle.
You want to grab the net? It's right behind you.
Pretty sure that's a cutty. Maybe it's a rainbow. Let me see the cut. Might be a cut though, I don't know.
Cut bow?
I'll have to do some research on that.
Michael's got one. Oh, yeah.
What is it?
Oh, it's a brookie.
That's a really pretty one.
Wow. Sweet.
Nice brookie. That's got such good colors. Nice shot.
Beautiful.
Yeah, look at that tail.
Alright, let's get back in.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Need something.
Corn on the grate. Peppers in there with butter. Steak with butter and garlic seasoning. I do have a fish like that. Oh my. That is beautiful. That's perfect, actually. Yeah, fried to a crisp. It's probably a first of its kind corn reveal. First look like tomatoes. Ladies and gentlemen, the steak you've been waiting for.
Oh god. It looks good.
Oh, that's the onions.
Yeah, that's the onions.
Oh yeah.
She went a little long.
Yeah, she's well done, but first time ever cooking steak in tinfoil, so.